to the third part of the self-portrait series here on my channel. If you haven't watched the other two already, I'll make sure to link them here or in the description bar down below. So please check it out. And for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to take self-portraits using paints, and don't worry, these are all beginner friendly. You don't have to be an artist whatsoever. So if you want to know more, please keep on watching.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile.